have docked this morning in Tenerife. We will be getting out to explore some today. Again, our last opportunity to get off the boat for the next, I think it's the next 6 days.
This big ship is giving us fuel for the long haul across the Atlantic. We caught a shuttle into town at the second stop on our 12-day repositioning cruise. There's a walkway here and signs were pointing us to the city center. So I suppose we just walk along this path and find it. Looks like a pedestrian-only street.
Cafes, a lot of cafes.
We walked around Santa Cruz, the capital on the island of Tenerife, and decided to ask a taxi driver for a tour. He suggested we visit the city of Laguna on the northern part of the island.
Un café, tranquilo.
In the lagoon, there are places to eat.
The driver didn't speak English, but knew how to use his translator, better than we do. The historical center of the city was declared a World Heritage Site in 1999.
This is a big day here.
There were many people enjoying the day along the mostly car-free streets of the historic area.
Yeah, this definitely has a real flavor.
Tourist flavor.
Well,
Oh, right.
Spanish.
Yes. Here we are at our first coffee stop in Tenerife.
It started sprinkling slightly.
The Cathedral de San Cristóbal de la Laguna is one of the most important churches there. Services were going on, so we didn't tour inside. As people moved to get out of the rain, we ducked into a local hotel. The rain was short-lived, but it cooled the air. Wouldn't you know it? He just wants to check it out, he says. Taking another taxi back into Santa Cruz, we descended from the mountains and saw the waterfront. A number of modern buildings came into view on the ride back. We just noticed how jagged these mountains are. Walking along the waterfront, we viewed a number of impressive masted sailing ships. This is a 3-masted schooner. Here's the Santa Maria Manuela. Our ship, the Celebrity Equinox, didn't appear to be too far away, so as we neared boarding time, we decided to walk back. This is a very long walk back to our ship.
We chose to walk back instead of take the bus. Not sure that was the right idea, but we're getting our steps in for sure.
There's our ship way down there. We're coming for you.
We were supposed to have left almost an hour and a half ago, but someone was having a medical situation, and so we've been on hold. At least one of the other cruise ships in front of us, and there were 4, has gotten out and is heading down ahead of us. Getting ready to go to dinner. Hey, what are you doing?
I am washing out clothes in the sink. because I refuse to pay $60 for a tiny little bag that you can do your clothes for $60. So we're just washing them out one at a time.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
Goodbye to Tenerife, Canary Island. After dinner and the buffet, on-board ship activities continued as usual. People just coming in for the show at 7 o'clock.
Board games. Okay. So 1 minute in the clock. You're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Chess, clue, Monopoly.
Watching the Chief game.
Come back next week for a tour of Bermuda and as we finish off our repositioning cruise. Thanks for watching.